Lecture 7. ChatGPT for content creators and SEO writers. If you're a blogger, scriptwriter, or SEO writer, you know content creation is not just about writing. It's about planning, structuring, and optimizing for visibility. That's where ChatGPT becomes a real asset. In this lecture, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, plan blog posts and YouTube scripts, craft SEO-friendly headlines, and even outline keyword strategies. You will stop wasting time on blank page anxiety and start producing content faster, smarter, and with greater confidence. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use ChatGPT to generate relevant, niche content ideas, structure blog posts and scripts with SEO-friendly flow, create headline options and meta descriptions, brainstorm keyword clusters and topic relevance, generate content ideas that actually fit your niche. When you need blog topics, skip the generic prompts. Get specific so your content lands with the right audience every time. Use this instead and write a prompt in here as give me 10 blog topics about, for example, mental health. For target audience, for example, you have a target audience as college students, so you will write as for college students, focusing on any goal or pain points, and for example it could be on coping with academic stress, and press enter. ChatGPT returns topic like this ones. Here you can see, for example, you can just read it out as from procrastination to productivity, tackling mental blocks head on. And for example, you have the power of saying no, setting boundaries to protect your peace, because it speaks to a real person with a real problem, not just any reader. You will walk away with ideas that are focused, practical, and instantly worth writing. Turn topics into full blog or script outlines. Got a great idea? Next, convert your chosen topic into a structured outline. And for that, you can just write a prompt in here as create an SEO-friendly blog post outline for and topic as how sleep affects academic performance, using intro, body, and conclusion format. Include subheadings and key points, and press enter. So this will be the introduction, body, which has 5 main points, and conclusion. For YouTube script, adjust the tone. For that, you can just write in here as create a 5-minute YouTube script outline on the same topic with a hook, 3 main points, and a CTA, call to action, and press enter. So this is what ChatGPT responds with, and this way you're not starting from a blank page. You are starting with a roadmap. All that's left is to add your voice. Write and refine SEO headlines and meta descriptions. Once you have outlined your content, the next step is to help it get found. That means crafting SEO-friendly headlines and meta descriptions that make people want to click. Step 1. Generate optimized headlines. For example, you just write a prompt in here as give me 5 SEO optimized headlines for this post, and this is how sleep affects academic performance, and press enter. So this is what ChatGPT responds with. Mix question style headlines with keyword rich phrases to boost both clicks and searchability. Step 2. Write a click-worthy meta description. For that, you can just write a prompt in here as write a 150 character meta description for the same blog and press enter. So this is 150 characters description. Keep it under 155 characters. Front load keywords and hint at the value readers will get. With a few quick prompts, you will have titles that attract clicks and descriptions that support better rankings without needing to be an SEO expert. Brainstorm keyword clusters and content pillars. To level up your content strategy and boost SEO, don't just think in single keywords. Instead, identify keyword clusters, groups of related terms that reinforce a core topic and help you build a strategic, connected content series. For example, you just write a prompt in here as create a keyword cluster for a blog series on students' mental health and performance, and press enter. So the primary keyword is student mental health, and these are the secondary keywords. So it gave so many options. For example, it gives 7 different keywords, and each has primary keyword and the supporting ones or secondary keywords. For example, the primary keyword is sleep and academic performance, and the secondary keywords or the supporting keywords are how lack of sleep affects students, student sleep habits, sleep deprivation in college, sleep tips for better grades, circadian rhythm and learning. Instead of writing one isolated blog post, you now have the foundation for a content pillar, a central theme. For now, we have sleep and academic performance, with multiple supporting articles that link back to it. You can now build a content calendar around these themes. Whether you're writing blogs, filming YouTube videos, or working in SEO, ChatGPT helps you plan smarter and publish faster. You will move from idea to outline to optimized headline, all with prompts that save hours of work. Be clear in your request, stay audience focused, and let ChatGPT handle the structure while you add the human touch.